How to add Amazon affiliate links to your YouTube channel. In order to add Amazon affiliate links to your YouTube channel, first of all, as long as you're logged in on your Amazon Associates account from affiliate program website, you go to amazon.com and you select a certain product over here. When you select a certain product, you want to get the affiliate link for this product. Now, it is not the normal link that you see from the URL bar. This is not what we want to copy. What we want to copy is this little SiteStripe that you can see right here, Amazon Associates SiteStripe, right? This will only show up as long as I said, you are logged in over here. So once you're logged in there, you'll see this where it says get link in a text format or image format. So all you have to do is just copy this generated link. So when people buy this particular product using this affiliate link, you will earn a certain amount of commission. That's what this is all about. To add them to your YouTube channel, it is most recommended to add them inside a description. So you can go to the content section right here, and then here you can just click on this edit details button right here, and all you have to do is just paste the link inside this particular details option right here, and once done, then you will be able to go ahead. If someone buys this product, then you will be able to find it right from here. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.